This is a training session regarding importing job budget information from a spreadsheet or estimating program. JobView allows you to import from any estimating program that generates an accounting interface text file. The import process is performed while setting up a job. The Job Setup program is accessed here on the Job Costing menu. Budgets can be imported into any new or existing job. We'll select one of our existing jobs for this import demonstration. Click on the Budget tab, and the list box will display any cost code budgets that have been previously created. Here we find a button titled Import from Estimating. When we click the button, this window comes into view. In the box on the left is a list of saved import formats. To create a new format, we'll click the Insert button. We'll name our source Estimate Spreadsheet and indicate the path and file name of the text file that will be exported from the outside program. In this case, Microsoft Excel. We can place a tick in this box to indicate that our text file has a header row. I've opened our text file in Notepad, and we can see that it does indeed have a row at the top with header information. So we'll check the box so the system will skip this row when importing. Now we indicate whether the records in the import file are in comma delimited, tab delimited, or fixed length field format. Our file has data fields separated by commas, so we'll select comma delimited. In this list box, we build a map of the columns of data included in the import file. Each line in the list box represents the definition of the contents of a column. In my import file, the first column contains the cost code number. The second column contains the cost type, that is, L for labor, M for materials, and so on. The third column contains the unit name. The fourth column contains the quantity. The fifth column contains the budget amount. And the last column contains the vendor ID number of the subcontractor who has been selected to complete the work, if this is a subcontract code. Now we see all the columns in the import file represented in the list box. Let's look at our text file again and see whether our map correctly defines the data included in the file. As we mentioned before, all the budget line items from our estimate are here, with data fields separated by commas. The first column contains the cost code, the second contains the cost type, and so on. It looks like a match. We'll save this import format by clicking OK. At this point, we can use our newly created format to import budget information onto this job. First, however, we need to specify what action should be taken if a cost code budget is found in our text file, which already exists in our job budget. The choices are listed here. We will instruct the program to replace the budget amounts it finds with the budget amounts specified in the import file. We start our import by clicking the Preview button. The system reads the import file and displays the information it will be importing into our job budget. If this information looks good, we can click the Import button, and the budget items in the preview box are added to our job budget. As you can see, the new budget items now appear in the list box on the Budget tab, and they can be edited just like any other budget line item. This concludes this training session on importing job cost budget information.